This is a cool looking building. This is Main Street East in Kalamazoo. Oh my God. It is so rainy. Look. You can kind of see how wet I am. I'm soaking. Look at my shirt. Oh, what is this? GAO. Please use freight elevator. We'll have to look and see what that is. All right, let's see the elevator come down. Huh? Here it is. I wonder who manufactures this. Who manufactured this? I like this cab. McNally, another McNally elevator. Up to 4. Jeez, my hand's too wet and slippery to open it. There's your indicator. Stopping on 3.
Bye.
Oh, sorry.
You're fine.
Sorry, I'm just getting video. Here's the capacity is 2,500.